Hey, what's going on, guys? In this video I'm going to show you how to refurbish or refresh your windshield wiper arms to your car. In my case, my Cadillac. And then also the control switches on the door panels. I'm going to refreshen those up a little bit too. So here, let me show y'all what I'm talking about. Alright, guys, yeah, we're gonna refreshen those windshield wiper arms right there, and then also we're gonna do these control switches for like the windows and then the door locks and stuff like that. So yeah, let me show you what we're gonna do here. We're gonna take these apart, and then you see how there's you know, fading all across there and stuff like that. We're gonna paint them. We're gonna paint them up, make them look somewhat brand new, you know. So whenever we do put the car together, it'll all come along real nice. By the way, we're gonna have an assistant here today. His name is Zeke. But anyway, alright guys, this is some of the tools that I'm going to be using today. First off, I'm going to use a box cutter with a sharp razor to cut some of that painter's tape, you know, because we're going to have to cover a few things on the control switches. We're going to use a Scotch-Brite scrubbing pad to scuff the surface of some of the items. We're also going to need rubbing alcohol to degrease the surfaces that we're going to paint. SOS pad to shine up some of the chrome accents. Also, we're going to use some of this satin black spray paint. Here I got some gloss black spray paint. We're gonna see which one goes better and which one is gonna make you know, the items that we're gonna paint pop. And we're gonna use some crystal clear enamel to make it shine. Alright, oh, and most importantly, a pair of gloves, so you don't get your hands all painted. Well, all right, enough yabbering, and let's get to it. so now what I'm doing is giving them a little wash with the SOS pad. I'm gonna see if I can shine up some of this chrome that it has, you know, get some rust spots off of it as well. So yeah, let me go ahead and put y'all on the time lapse while I get these knocked out. Alright guys, now that we got them all washed up with the SOS pad, we're going to let them dry off, and once they do dry off, we're going to tape them off with the painter's tape, and give them one last clean with alcohol, and you know, degrease them a little bit, and after that it's ready for paint. Alright guys, they looking pretty nice and glossy. Let me go ahead and put them back together and show y'all the finished product. Wow guys, look at the way that they came out. They look damn good if you ask me. As a matter of fact, I've got the door panels here that I'm going to put on the car. Let me put y'all down for a minute and mock some of these up on the door panels, and I'll click y'all back on in a minute. What you think, Zeke? Came out good, Bubbas? Huh? Yeah? Checking it out? Yeah, even Zeke thinks that it's looks pretty good. My little helper here, he helped me with all this. LOL, yeah, right. Alright guys, we're at the end of the video. What better way to end the video by, you know, putting some barbecue on the grill. Catch me in the next one.